Pizza. It's not just food in Italy, it's a way of life. Born in Naples, this iconic dish has become a cornerstone of Italian culture, symbolizing tradition, community, and craftsmanship. But what happens when one of the world's most famous pizza chains tries to take on Italy's beloved treasure? Today we're diving into the rise and fall of Domino's Pizza in Italy. Domino's Pizza, born in Michigan in 1960, started as a bold idea by brothers Tom and James Monahan. Their vision? To make Italian-American cuisine easily accessible. With low prices and an efficient home delivery service, they transformed their small pizza shop into a global phenomenon, rivaling giants like Pizza Hut and Papa John's. Fast forward to today, Domino's boasts over 11,000 restaurants in 70 countries. But in Italy, the birthplace of pizza, it was a different story. The company waited until 2015 to enter the Italian market, cautious about competing with the country's deep culinary traditions. So what went wrong? Domino's arrived in Italy with big ambitions, opening its first branch in Milan in 2015. The goal? To establish a network of 880 locations across the country. Domino's even tailored its menu to the Italian palate, offering two distinct categories: Italian traditional pizzas, made with local ingredients, and Domino's Legends, featuring American favorites like the pepperoni passion and the controversial Hawaiian with pineapple. The dough for these pizzas was supplied by A Pizza Spe, an Italian company managed by Alessandro Lazzaroni, a veteran of brands like McDonald's. Domino's took every precaution to blend into the Italian market, and for a while it seemed to work. Revenues were in line with projections. But then came 2020. The pandemic disrupted industries worldwide, and Italy was hit particularly hard. Delivery services, once Domino's strength, became saturated as local pizzerias adapted quickly. Italians, already fiercely loyal to their culinary traditions, now had easy access to high-quality pizza from their neighborhood pizzerias at just a slightly higher price. Domino's no longer stood out. Its competitive edge, fast delivery, was no longer unique. Add to that the challenge of convincing Italians to embrace an Americanized version of their most iconic dish, and the company's fate was sealed. In July 2022, Domino's Pizza Italia officially declared bankruptcy, closing all 28 locations, far from the 880 stores it had envisioned. The reasons? A combination of stiff competition, the loss of delivery dominance during the pandemic, and the sheer difficulty of competing with Italy's exceptional local pizzerias. Ultimately, Domino's Pizza underestimated the deep cultural connection Italians have with their pizza. In Italy, pizza isn't just food, it's an art, a tradition, and a source of pride. For many Italians, the idea of Domino's competing with their local pizzerias was simply unthinkable. So, what can we learn from this? Even the biggest global brands need to respect local traditions and understand their audience. In Italy, pizza isn't just about convenience, it's about quality, authenticity, and love. Domino's Pizza, for all its success worldwide, just couldn't slice its way into the hearts of Italians.